Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Harman Kardon Go Play free speaker and I'm going to tell you if there is any app in your Android device. Let's check it. At first we have to go into App Store and then search. In the search bar we have to search for Harman Kardon app and let's check it. As you can see, here we have Harman Kardon 1 and let's check if we have our speaker compatible. As you can see, our speaker is not compatible with this application. So we have to check HK Connect. Let's check if we are compatible with this application. We are not compatible with this application. And now here, as you can see, it's only headphones. So there is no application for our speaker. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.